In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save time and money and make your product images 10 times better. I'm going to show you 3 different ways, with the first being a physical item, the second being a 3D model, and the third and most simplest, just a black and white image. So the tool I'll be using is going to be ChatGPT. So first I'm going to click here and go add photos, and I'm going to choose the flower sign that we have, and then I'm just going to paste in, I would like you to place this sign on a living room wall in summertime. The image will be used for a product photo, so it has to be high definition and in 16:9 aspect ratio. And then we just send the prompt. And after a little bit of time, we wait. Okay, now it's done. We just need to click and open that and have a look. And what you can see is we've got a brilliant product photo ready to go live on your Etsy store or website or wherever really. And you can run this prompt again and again and give it different directions where you'd want it, behind a sofa or in a different room, in a bedroom, in a kitchen. The choice is endless really. So if you don't have a physical item, there is another way of working, which is what I used to do, and that would be to create a 3D model and a render from your 2D design. So let's give that one a try. So, after creating your vectors in your drawing program, I used to save them out as an SVG and import into Blender to create the 3D model, which had light and texture and make a render of, and then that would be it. But now we can take that one step further and use the 3D rendered image to create the brand new AI image and put it in location. So this time I'm going to add photos and files and choose the bauble that I rendered out. And after that's uploaded, we can paste in this is a wooden laser cut bauble that has been laser engraved with the darker parts recessed slightly into the lighter wood. I would like you to hang this on a Christmas tree using some red and gold twine hanging from the hole at the top of the bauble onto the tree. The image will be used for a product photo, so it has to be high definition and in 16:9 aspect ratio. So let's send that and see what we get. Okay, now that's finished, we'll just open this one up and look at that. It's a perfect product image. It's kept the engraving details with the depth, and this is ready to go live. It's much better than I could have done with my camera, and in a fraction of the time too. And again, you can run this prompt again and again and choose different locations where you'd like the bauble to be hung. Anyway, moving on to the next one, which is my favourite and quickest, simplest, and to me now the best, which is taking the vectors from your drawing program and creating the product image straight from that. So once you've finished your design, you just need to make sure that you have all the engraving as one colour and then all of the backboard as another colour. So in this case, I'm going to choose white, and then we just need to save this out as a PNG, although a JPEG would probably work too. So let's test how this one does. I'm just going to select that apple that we've just made, and all that is a white background with black, which I want for the engraving. So I'm just going to paste something I wrote earlier, which is, this is a wooden laser cut apple that has been laser engraved with the darker parts recessed slightly into the lighter birch wood. I would like you to hang this on an indoor plant in summertime using some nice twine hanging from a hole at the top of the apple onto a plant. And I would like you to also place one on the table with a cup of coffee on it to be like a coaster. The image will be used for a product photo, so it has to be high definition and 16:9 aspect ratio. And send prompt, and let's see what it comes back with. Okay, if we click on that to enlarge it, so straight away it's already picked up that the wood is a birch wood, it's got a laser cut darker edge, and it's picked up on the engraving too and made that look like it's recessed, especially here where you can see. And it's looking pretty good, although I'm not too sure about the position of this cup on this coaster here. So we can make edits down here. So I'm going to say, can you move the cup into the center of the coaster on the table? Enter. And let's see what edits it comes up with. So this time it has moved the cup forward more into the centre of the coaster, and it's kept all the detail there and altered nothing else. And to me, this is a perfect product image. made within seconds, just from a couple of colours on a line drawing. So this is a massive time saver. Imagine having to laser engrave and cut and then find the perfect placement, set up a camera, take the product photo, just to get this kind of image. And that's all depending on if you have all these props and a nice background as well. So just within a few seconds, you can go from creating lines in a drawing program to creating a full 3D mock-up of an actual product. And this to me is a perfect product image to sell your items. And it's as simple as changing a few words of the prompt to have it in a different style and setting, or even material. Well, I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, check out my Patreon for free files and early releases, and I'll see you in the next video.